Hey everyone, what's going on? I am so late on these tags. I was tagged by songbirdsongtress25 and two tags. It's a phone tag and nail polish collection. I didn't see them till now. It's almost a month later. She posted them on July 14th. Like, usually people send me messages and I'm like, wow. And so I'm gonna do the phone tag since my nail polish collection is no longer on my wall over there. It's pretty much on the floor, which is behind me. Where is it? Right there. So, it's gonna go right on this wall where the banner is. So I can't wait to put it up. So I'll be like going through that with my iPhone instead of me sitting here and just. Anyway, it's 10 questions. Number 1 is, what phone do you have? I have a Facebook request. Alright, I have the iPhone 4, and it's the most awesomest phone I've ever had. How old is my phone? A few months old? Let's see. I guess it's like a month old. Is your phone a contract phone or pay-as-you-go? Mine's a contract with Verizon. Do you accessorize your phone? Hell yes, I do. I'm gonna be getting regular, what are they? Cases. The ones that go like this. Not just the ones that, like, hug it, and I hate that. And bling them out, cause, I get bored sometimes. What's my wallpaper? Well, I have two different wallpapers. I have stars on this one. Here, you can see that better. And then on my lock screen, I have my boyfriend and I. See, there we are. What is my ringtone? Well, I have different ones. Let's see what my ringtone is, because I have no clue. Sounds. Oh, I don't want my vibrate on. Off. Alright, apparently I don't know how to do that. I know it's a Jessie J song. I think it's Who You Are. You are, you are, you are. Anyway, name 3 best features of your phone. 3 best features. Well, I get to use Uvu and do actual, like, live video conversations. I have all my networking stuff, apps. I mean, like, this phone is invincible. I mean, everything is good about it. There's not just, like, 3 best features. It's, like, everything. My phone has a touchscreen, original, let's see, because you get the type this way, or you get the type this way. I have a universal keyboard, which I do in Japanese, and then, all types of stuff here. I can do different languages. I mean, so, let's see, if you had any other phone, what would you choose? Probably a Droid, because it's the closest thing to this. And would I recommend my phone? Hell yes. But I recommend getting the iPhone 5. So check that out. And this completes my tag. I'm gonna tag all of you because I want to see what kind of phones you use. And I'll put the questions down below. And please put the video response to this video and leave me comments below. Alright, bye guys.